Welcome to Holistic Health Hub. Did you know that achieving true wellness goes beyond diet and exercise? It's about embracing practices that nurture the mind, body, and spirit. This ancient practice, celebrated for centuries, harnesses the unique energy of crystals to promote balance, clarity, and healing. Whether you're a beginner or curious about how crystals can enhance your well-being, we've got you covered. Let's explore their secrets and discover how you can use them to transform your life. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this fascinating practice. What is it? How does it work? And most importantly, how can it help you unlock balance, energy, and a sense of well-being? So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the incredible world of crystals. Crystal healing is an alternative wellness practice that has stood the test of time. Rooted in ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks and beyond, it is based on the belief that crystals carry unique vibrational frequencies. These frequencies are thought to interact with the body's energy centers, or chakras, to help clear blockages, enhance vitality, and restore harmony. From the lapis lazuli amulets of ancient Egypt to the clear quartz used by Native Americans, cultures worldwide have relied on these natural treasures for their therapeutic and spiritual benefits. But what makes crystals so special? Scientifically speaking, crystals are formed under intense geological pressure, resulting in their precise, stable molecular structures. This stability is what gives them their unique vibrational frequencies. While some dismiss their effects as mere placebo, others argue that these frequencies interact with the body's electromagnetic field, creating subtle but profound changes. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is certain. Countless people report feeling more balanced, calm, and energized after using crystals. So, what are some of the most powerful crystals you can start with? Let's explore. Amethyst. Known as the Tranquility Stone, amethyst is perfect for relieving stress, calming the mind, and enhancing spiritual awareness. Rose quartz. Called the Stone of Love, it promotes emotional healing, self-love, and harmonious relationships. Citrine. This success stone is all about positivity, abundance, and creativity. Clear quartz. Known as the Master Healer, it amplifies energy, boosts mental clarity, and even supports physical health. Black tourmaline. A powerful protector, it shields you from negative energy, electromagnetic radiation, and emotional overwhelm. Now that you know about these powerful stones, let's talk about how to use them in your daily life. Meditation. Hold a crystal in your hand or place it on a chakra during meditation. Imagine its energy flowing through your body, clearing blockages and restoring balance. Wear them. By wearing crystals as jewelry, you can carry their energy with you throughout the day. Crystal grids. Arrange multiple crystals in a specific pattern to amplify their collective energy. These grids are perfect for setting intentions, whether it's attracting abundance, finding love, or boosting creativity. In your space. Place calming crystals like amethyst by your bedside or grounding stones like black tourmaline near your workspace to create a positive environment. Did you know that crystals can also enhance your sleep? Placing calming stones like amethyst or moonstone near your bed can promote restful sleep and even vivid dreams. Pairing crystal healing with good sleep hygiene creates a powerful combination for mind and body rejuvenation. Crystal healing becomes even more powerful when combined with other holistic practices. Yoga. Use grounding stones like black tourmaline during poses to deepen your practice. Aromatherapy. Pair crystals with calming essential oils for a multi-sensory healing experience. Ayurveda. Crystals can complement Ayurvedic treatments, balancing your doshas and promoting overall wellness. At Holistic Health Hub, we believe in treating health holistically. Sleep, diet, mindfulness, and practices like crystal healing are all pieces of the larger puzzle of wellness. Beyond videos like this, we're working on something truly transformative. Through our website, we offer consultations, conduct workshops, and provide Ayurvedic treatments for chronic conditions, including cancer. And here's the exciting part: we have set up a residential treatment center in the stunning landscapes of Sri Lanka. This center will be a sanctuary where you can rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul, surrounded by nature and guided by ancient wisdom. Visit our website, holistichealthhub.website, to learn more about our offerings. At our center, we specialize in Ayurvedic treatments for chronic conditions, including cancer. Our resident Ayurvedic physician, a registered practitioner in Sri Lanka, brings years of expertise and a proven track record of successfully treating and curing cancer patients both locally and internationally. Join us on this transformative journey to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on holistic health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to balance and harmony begins with one small step.